world full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hey beauties! I have a laugh. I'm super excited today because some of my baby things just arrived. So I got some of my baby stuff and I decided to unbox it with you guys to show you guys what I've gotten so far for a first time mom in Europe, you know. So just pick some that is important for you to buy, because in Europe immediately you put to bed, before you know, baby has boom started growing, you know. So some of the stuff that you will buy, they are not going to enter your baby anymore. So you just need to get some that is good for that moment. Immediately they are growing, you will be buying a lot for them, you know. Yeah, so although that I got a lot of things as a first time mom, I don't have anything at all at home because I have not put to bed before, and I really spent money in getting a lot of things. As a first time mom, you need to gather yourself before you become a first time mom. You need to gather yourself, have money. It's not easy at all, especially the baby stuff. Things that you are going to get is not really easy at all. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I have here. I still have some, but I'm just going to show you guys now this one. In next video I will show you guys the rest of the stuff, and some of the stuff they are not here. Some are still coming, although I bought them in Italy because Italy have the best stuff for children. I bought them, but what I do is go there, pick everything that I want, pay for it, and when I need them they'll bring it for me at home. That is what I do. So I don't have a car to be going around picking up this. I just go to Kiko, pick stuff that I know that I really need. I just put them there, I pay for it, then later on when I need it they will bring it for me at home. So this one they just brought it for me, and yeah, I decided to show you guys. And more are still coming. I don't need those ones for now because those ones they are too heavy for now. So it's still remaining 2 months for me to put to bed. So immediately it's 2 weeks to I will tell them to bring it. So we arrange everything and all. Okay, all right guys, so let me not waste your time too much. And I'm going to show you guys what I have here. And this is my tummy, 7 months pregnancy. You see, the first thing that I'm going to show you guys here, I have my Kiko bath. I don't have, as a first time mom, I don't have bath. I need to get bathed. So the first thing that I have here is my bath, my Kiko bath. Okay, this is my bath, and this bath has this place where you can open it and the water will come out after taking bath, after bathing your baby, you know. So this is my bath. This one is the one that you use to, the one that you put water. I bought it too. I think the other one is not here. Put water when you want to bath your baby. Yeah. So I got this one as well. So I got this as well. This. They told me it's not yet time for me to get this. I decided to get everything because I don't really know what will happen next. So that the baby is not yet eating and I'm going to do baby friendly. I said I don't care. I'm going to get it now. So I get this set as well. I get this set, comb. This one, there's comb, there's scissors, there is a foam brush, and a lot of stuff inside. And there's this one to play with baby. This thing that is like a fish here, I don't know. This thing to play with baby. I've not yet opened it, so I don't know what. So this is the complete set, guys. Can you see? This is what is inside. Yeah. We started getting baby dampers and baby first time clothes. We have a lot of clothes here. Lot. These are the clothes that we are taking to the hospital. So when that day comes, I'm going to show you guys what I need to take to the hospital, you know. And on the day I'm going to wash them, I'm taking them to dry cleaner, the old clothes to dry cleaner. You know, this is a period of virus. You have to be careful. You don't know whosoever that went there and touches them with their hand and all that, you know. So first time baby clothes. And the caps are here. We have our Yummy Mommy for neck, the same as before. So we have this to clean your hair. We have other ones. So we have our first time socks for baby. First time socks for baby. We have another shoe. We have this. I bought this because I'm going to give birth at winter or primavera, you know, so spring. I got this as well. I got my baby. I got this as well. Okay. I got my baby brush. And we have our so cute. You guys know red is my favorite color, but Obi will not allow me to pick red, so I just picked this. Dampers for baby. Dampers. What is this? I have this cleaning wipes. Okay, this is cleaning wipes for baby. I got this. And we still have some clothes that just came with it. And we still have some clothes that just came with it. Yeah. So guys, this is how we have for today for now. So more are still coming. I ordered for more. I ordered a lot of stuff, and little comb for first time. For the first time, first 1 month for baby. Yeah, so guys, this is all we have for today. This is all that I have for now. More are still coming. I still have more inside the cupboard, but I don't have strength to film that today, so that should be another video. Okay, some of the clothes, and I have a lot of clothes, not little. I bought a lot, but I'm still going to show you guys the things that I got. Okay, all right guys, for today this is all for today, and this is what I'm going to be unboxing for today. So the rest of them is going to be another video, another banger. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Okay, see you all on my next video. Bye.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.